When a man deeply loves you, he'll say this. When you're dating someone, it's natural to question if he's serious about you. Some guys are simply not excellent at expressing their emotions, making it difficult to tell what he is experiencing. Furthermore, you may come across guys who appear to care, but in reality, don't give a damn about you. How can you tell if a man is really in love with you? There are actually 15 things that a man will start saying when he becomes completely in love with a woman, and some of them will surely surprise you. 1. It reminds me of you. His mind has created a nostalgic card for you, with which certain objects, aromas, signs, and memories are associated. This demonstrates that there are things that make him think of you, even when you're not together. 2. I'll be there shortly. When a man falls in love with you, he has a stronger urge to come to your rescue. When you are needed, there is a greater desire to show up. And certainly, when he is dedicated to you, there is a higher need to offer his support in those times of need. So essentially, when he says I'll be there shortly, he's painting a picture of how he'll want to be there for you when you need him, your shoulder to cry on, and your superhero when you need help. Because, once again, his love for you forces him to want to be the man you can count on, and he wants to show that he's reliable, that he cares about your needs, and that, yes, he's the guy you can turn to when you're having a problem. Now, pay attention. We must keep a realistic perspective on the situation. The fact that he is there for you, wants to be there for you, and will do everything in his power to meet your needs does not imply that he will be perfect, or that he will not have moments or days when he simply cannot. Now, I would argue that on days when he can't, he might still try to find other ways to help you. Some situations simply do not allow that man to come to your assistance. It's not that he doesn't want to, or that he isn't completely willing. There are simply too many obstacles. You can get caught up in the moment and forget that he's a human being with commitments, limitations, and the potential to be unable at any given time. So, when we're evaluating his willingness to be there for you, we have to take his use of the words, "I'll be there shortly," into account. 3. What are you doing? You must be cautious when answering this simple question because no one enjoys feeling controlled by their partner. However, there is a significant difference between a brief message every now and then to let us know where we are in our day. That is a clear indication that he is thinking of us and he finds it difficult to continue working without knowing how we are doing and what we are doing. It's a positive sign. 4. I'd love for you to join with me, too. This could be his company's Christmas party, his graduation ceremony, his favorite hangout, or any other event where he will brag about you to his closest friends and colleagues. He wants you to be a part of his most important life events. 5. When we get married, start a family, or relocate. If he says these things, he not only wants to commit to a 7-day-a-week relationship by living with you, but he also wants you to be his partner in his major goals. He's plotting an adventure, and he'd like you to play the leading lady. 6. Let me help you. We look for a partner who will not only love us, but also assist us when we need it. However, sometimes we are embarrassed to ask for his assistance, and sometimes we are prejudiced because we believe we can handle everything on our own. He loves you and cares about you if he offers to help you, even if you haven't asked for it. 7. I'm missing you. He expresses his concern for you by saying he misses you. If he only sends you texts late at night, that is not the case. If you are away on vacation or on a business trip, and he says he misses you, he simply means that he notices your absence and is saddened by it. 8. I'd like to introduce you to my family. Though he may not admit it, if he says this, he's in the early planning stages of a future with you and desires to see if his family likes you and you like them. He wants to see whether you feel right at home, where he feels at home. 9. I'm here to help you. When a man says this, he is expressing his desire to be a part of your life. It's the same as when he says he wants to help you. It's a sign of his trustworthiness. If he says he's there for you, he's encouraging you to break down your barriers. It's a way to strengthen your bond and transition from I to we. 10. Neither I nor you want to date anyone else. This should be self-evident. If he's a keeper, he'll tell you right away that he only wants you and no one else. 11. You make me want to do things. You can be described as beautiful by anyone. You can be described as attractive by anyone. Anyone can declare that he desires your company. However, you inspire your soulmate. When you begin dating, he begins to act differently. He begins to make plans to be with you on a long-term basis. He aspires to do more with his life than he did before he met you. 12. You are stunning. If he's a flirty guy and says that phrase a little too soon, you're not the only woman to whom he says things to make her feel special. If, on the other hand, he does not make frequent comments about your appearance and only compliments you on occasion, then he is sincere. In fact, this phrase refers not only to your outer beauty, but also to your inner beauty. 13. I am worried. If he expresses concern about an upcoming event in his life, it's a sign that he's opening up to you and uncovering his vulnerability. He demonstrates that he is lowering his guard and is willing to trust you by opening the door for you. If his worries are about you, it means he cares about you and wants nothing but the best for you. 14. I need you. We choose to be with someone because we see a perfect match in them and enjoy how we feel when we are with them. When our partner tells us that he or we need each other, he is demonstrating that we are with the right person because he feels empty without us. If he sends you these messages on a regular basis, you can bet he wants you to be at ease. 15. I love you. Finally, these 3 words could appear at any point during the journey. It should go without saying, but if he loves you, he will tell you. Regularly stating it shows that he not only loves you, but also that he is a caring and communicative man who genuinely wants to make you happy. Take the mystery and uncertainty out of dating and relationships because they don't have to be. If your man says these 15 things to you, you know he's the one. Well, if you feel your man is not into you and you're looking for a way to make him fall in love with you, we suggest checking out the first link in this video's description under Recommended Solutions. It's a professional and strong psychology guide that will help you win him over even if he wasn't specifically interested in you. That's all for today from Brainy Facts. Thanks for watching.